Hi, my name is Nikki, and here is my website that I wanted to show you. It is kind of like, I guess Lord of the Rings themed, because I'm a big Lord of the Rings fan, and so being able to kind of incorporate that into something that I would take and always have positive media on was something that I wanted to do. I call my subscribers Bilbos, which is funny enough. So that's the homepage, and it's got some, like, my main header that has a forest on it, and I just really like that because that reminded me of something from The Hobbit. So here's my subscriber count over here, and it's like enter your email to become a Bilbo. And then here's my little bio, which I talk about how I'm an aspiring writer. I am a journalism major, and so this is really something that I have loved to do. I have my shop here, and it's got all the little things that we can see. This is actually my icon that I made. I actually painted this myself, and it is a painting of Van Gogh because I really like Van Gogh. Anyways, so this blog is kind of just all about me being able to express myself in ways that will help others. And so, last but not least, I have my little bio page where I talk to my people that are reading, and I talk about a blog that I have previously. I still occasionally will upload on that one if I'm not working on this one. And I have my socials down here. And I think something that I really liked was just being able to figure out everything again, figure out things that I may have forgotten about WordPress, and just being able to customize it to the ways that I want to, even though, I haven't done a whole lot, but I do have quite a few drafts of posts that I'm excited to put up eventually. And yeah, I'm just really glad that I was able to do this, and I've learned a lot about myself, and